Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video we are looking at this classic model LD or C. So it's 1/18 scale. I got this kind. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have some kind of stickers, and then we have a remote control, turn on button or switch, and then so you insert like those I think AAA batteries, those thin ones inside here. I already put them in. There's like 2 batteries here. So we also have this for the remote. The car itself. Does look nice to me. On off switch, there's also a rechargeable battery here that you need to connect. As we also see, there's like plastic cover right on the top there. I don't know if I need to remove it or not. Maybe it's like a protection from water or something. As well as the motor is covered with plastic. Okay. So what I noticed right here, these you can lower this car, because this was like way like up, especially the front. The back is okay, because you can see this. I did not install the lowering part here, but I did install one right here, and you don't see much difference from the back. So I don't know if I'm gonna install the other one, but for the front I think you do need to install, because it's like a little high. I would even bring it like even more down like that, but I don't think you can. So it's got a rechargeable USB. We also have some of the parts that needs to be installed, like the wipers. Okay. Okay. That's kind of weird. Maybe that's the back one. Yeah, it looks like that's the back one. Okay. Yep, so the back one goes like this, and the front ones are aligned like that, I believe. So okay. hard to insert it because I push it and it moves, so I probably need to hold it with my finger from the bottom so I can insert it and not break the glass in the window. Yep. Okay, so we got that. So here we have the mirrors. You need to install as well. Okay. Okay, another one. So now we have, this is the lowering part for the vehicle. It's kind of hard to see. And that's the mirrors right there as well. Trying to get the mirrors. I don't know if they are sticky or not. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. It does. Okay, so the mirrors are not sticky, so I put some glue. I'm using this kind of wood glue. Super glue. It's clear, so that's what I like about this one. So I'm just gonna put it in, because otherwise it will fall out. I'm pretty sure. Okay, now I can just clean this off. Okay. Gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, so we can put this on the remote. Okay, and this LDRC, don't know which way, but okay. So we have door handles left. Yep. Okay, so let's power this up like this. Turn this on. What happened? Turn this on right here. Does the lights? Oh, something happened. They used to like unfold. Okay, that's kind of weird, but I don't know, something happened, but they would fold and unfold. But you heard something like clicking. Okay, so what happened is probably you need to always close them, otherwise the electronics does not know that they're open, and it probably opened it again and something broke or something went loose. So I will have to open it up and see. If not, then I will probably get like a refund for that or maybe return it. But let's just take it for a test drive and see what it does. It should be fun though. But if I close it like manually, as you can see, it does look nice too with the lights. But I don't think it does that when you actually close it. They turn off. So, but it looks kind of cool if it was like closed and also turned on. So let's take it for a test drive. So it's got 2 speeds. So I click like on this one, it will be faster. Now let's try it on the carpet. Also, it has like a sensor, like if I turn the car, it turns itself. This helps when you're drifting. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.